AutoCAD and SketchUp are quite compatible. This means you can import drawing files into SketchUp and make a 3D model of your 2D drawing. For this tutorial we made a simple 2D floor plan and later we imported it into SketchUp. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do it, and in the meanwhile consider subscribing. When you're done with AutoCAD, in SketchUp go to File, look for Import, select it and then choose the file you want. Again click Import, and your file is now imported. Next step, after you imported the file, select the drawing on the plane. Then right click on your mouse. From the pop-up tab select Explode. With this you just ungroup or to say unlink the lines in a way. After you've done that, you are free to start editing. One important thing you need to do before push-pulling is to connect all the lines again, or you won't be able to use the push-pull tool. Then comes the fun part, the push-pull tool. With this in no time you'll make your own 3D house model, or whatever you desire to do in 3D. You can also set up a height for your walls, and then just do the rest of them, based on that one. The rest is up to you. You can paint it, add patterns, add holes in the walls, make windows, add doors, anything you want. If you have some questions feel free to ask us in the comments, we will be more than happy to answer. Hope you liked the video, and we helped you learn something new. Also check out our other channel Science Civilian. Click on the link in the description for some fun videos and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.